So realtors, if you can see below on this page at underwaterrealestate.com, we've done a pre-recorded webinar. Now, I recorded that webinar. I left out, I figured it could be another 30 minutes or an hour because I didn't try to anticipate too many of your questions. I know from when the California Association of Realtors had me train realtors, you're going to ask questions about what should I do in a counter? Should I go highest and best? And I'll explain why I would say no the vast majority of the time. But you're going to have a lot of questions. You're probably say, John, could you give us a handout for green light, red light, and yellow light short sales and why? Like comparing them to recourse and non-recourse loans and liability to the IRS. I want to do that. I haven't prepared it. I'd like, you put your questions in after you watch the recorded workshop, and I'll make that as part of the future underwaterrealestate.com certification. Will charge money. You'll be grandfathered, and it'll never be more than $97 a year. But I want to make this so good that I'll be charging more. And at any time, I'll also probably include another offer. Like one of the things is when I get back the end of June, I'm going to be away for 2 weeks, Father's Day, and because one of my sons is going to grad school, my wife wanted to celebrate. I'm going to be on East Coast time. I'll have a laptop and a phone, but I'm not sure about my connectivity all the time. So I plan to respond to your questions, but I will come back the last week of March, answer the questions, put up videos, make it prettier. It's probably not going to be pretty in the center, but you'll see the recorded webinar, ask questions, and we'll make it better. And you'll be grandfathered in. You'll get all the benefits of when the program goes live in July. At the moment, I'm planning for that to be $297, but I'm planning to also include a consult with me so I can work with people on their business, find what stage they are, and improve the program even further. If you want to participate in that, I'll credit your $97. We'll have a separate page for you to go to for this initial cohort. So thank you. Now, if you want to know a little bit more, I will state that one of the things I learned and one of the things we're going to do together is that when I was working with clients, I started putting their questions up at upsidedownrealestate.com. I still own the URL. In fact, I tried to recreate it because all that information was with a vendor who went out of business. So it is in the Wayback Machine. I went to the Wayback Machine. I created a website, a sample website that I think you all might be interested in. And I'm going to teach out of that website in the workshop that you'll see. And we'll talk about the top of the funnel things that brought people to the website. The middle of the funnel things, which would be similar to the California short sale listing addendum that was on my website long before there was a short sale listing addendum. And then like bottom of funnel, what offers, it was obviously a consult, but why the consult, why people were filling it out, and what the actual process does to making the people almost conditioned to want to work with you. Like if they've gone through the website and they're filling out your form with this detailed information, a lot of those people are going to turn to your clients. Phil once mentioned that we signed almost everybody who filled out that form. And the marketing, right? What's the commitment? The people filled out the form, they're legit. It screens. In the beginning, you might want a lot of conversations. So you'd set up your website with just maybe a name and phone number, maybe zip code of where your property is located or price of your property. But when you're getting a lot of business and you want to spend your time with people that are interested in working with you, then you make them fill out more information. But the beauty of that was it makes the process, it makes it a consultative listing process. It's just, it works so well. Information on the website, fill out the form, consultative close, they list. The attorney on your team module concept that Phil Mills, who I eventually did hundreds of short sales with, well, at least 100 in my office, followed this in Arizona with an attorney. When he saw my videos, he was like, I need an attorney to do that. And I'm relaying to you how he did that in Arizona. Now, he worked out a deal. He paid the attorney for some things ahead of time for the initial consult. Other times the attorney got paid if it closed by reviewing the approval letter. He worked all that out. That's eventually something I can do with you if there's a demand. That's why I'm going to have that consult as part of the process starting for the July rollout. And maybe I'll start it in the last week of June. But for here, it's $97. We're going to talk about it. I'm going to show you the website. I'm going to talk about why we use Go High Level. I'm going to talk about why we're developing the short sale listing location or snapshot. And I'm going to show you the incredible vibe coded website. My son told me about it. He helped me, but that we vibe coded. Do you realize I made underwaterrealestate.com, this website, this page, the whole thing, I made it an afternoon. Now, it got a little better the second and third time I came back. Like, I didn't know what was going to be in the workshop, but this layout, I didn't do any of it. I talked. So we'll talk about that, and I'll put in the last week of June, you all will get a 30-day free trial to go high level if you want to vibe code the website. Maybe I'll put it in there sooner, but I have to go into my website and learn how to do that. I do have the highest level of subscription to go high level because I have a bunch of websites, and I'm going to advise you, and you're not going to have to pay more, but someone had to have paid more. That'll be me. But I'm going to advise you to make more than one website because of AI search. And because it makes sense. You don't want to be all short sales and then have the market change eventually. Although with AI and jobs loss, we could have a baseline of short sales and foreclosures for a decade. So anyway, my name is Sean McConnell. I'm a real estate attorney in California. California had me train realtors. Initially, this program is going to be on California laws for California realtors, but we're going to discuss recourse loans and why they've become a red light short sale. That will apply to you. If you're finding your way here from another state, this will be useful, and eventually we're going to roll it out in every state. But right now, because I know California, I can work and help realtors in California. It's designed for California people. So it's $97. It's going to, you're going to be grandfathered in at that price. It's never going to go up for you. It will probably go up in July. Thank you. I look forward to maybe talking with you even, or certainly going over your questions. Thanks.